In the world of supercars, where heavy electric batteries and complex hybrid systems dominate the narrative, the arrival of a car that keeps the raw passion of driving alive is nothing short of a blessing. Today, the masterpiece we are exploring is the GMA T.33, a supercar that reminds the entire automotive industry that true driving pleasure doesn't lie in absurd horsepower figures or massive touchscreens, but in mechanical perfection and driver engagement. Gordon Murray, the legendary designer behind the McLaren F1, has delivered a sublime statement of pure engineering and passion in this modern EV era. The centerpiece of this machine is its 11,100 revolutions per minute Cosworth V12 engine, which delivers a screaming exhaust note and raw mechanical thrill without needing a single turbocharger or hybrid battery. In today's video, we will break down every engineering detail, the lightweight philosophy, and the iconic manual driving setup of the Gordon Murray Automotive T.33 with the depth and respect it deserves. Chapter 1. The Vision of Gordon Murray and Analog Philosophy. In the history of automotive engineering, the name Gordon Murray is always spoken with utmost respect. The man who created the world's most iconic supercar, the McLaren F1, has always held a firm belief: the lighter a car is, the more magnificent the driving engagement will be. In an era where many supercars have ballooned past 2,000 kilograms, the dry weight of the GMA T.33 stands at an astonishing 1,090 kilograms. Gordon Murray deliberately designed this vehicle with zero touchscreens, zero capacitive buttons, and a completely pure analog cabin. This choice wasn't made to diminish modern technology, but rather to serve those driving enthusiasts who still cherish physical controls, analog dials, and mechanical precision. Chapter 2. The Engineering Miracle, 11,100 RPM, Cosworth V12. The most magnificent aspect of this machine is its engine, engineered in close partnership with Cosworth. At the heart of the GMA T.33 lies a 3.9-liter, naturally aspirated V12 engine that produces 607 horsepower. What truly stuns the mind is its rev limit. This engine spins all the way up to 11,100 RPM. Thanks to titanium valves, forged pistons, and a lightweight aluminum block, the entire engine weighs just 178 kilograms, making it the lightest and highest revving road-legal V12 engine on the planet. There is zero turbo lag, and the power delivery is so linear that the driver feels every single millimeter of throttle input. Chapter 3. Pure manual transmission and driver connection. While most modern supercars rely on automatic dual-clutch transmissions, Gordon Murray placed absolute priority on an unadulterated mechanical connection. The GMA T.33 features a custom-built 6-speed X-Track manual transmission with a classic H-pattern shifter. Weighing a mere 82 kilograms, it is the lightest manual gearbox in the entire supercar industry. The crisp, tactile click upon shifting and the precise load of the clutch pedal forge a bond between driver and machine that modern paddle shifters simply cannot replicate. Without criticizing automatic options, this design stands as an invaluable gift to traditional driving purists. Chapter 4. Aerodynamics without over-the-top wings. Many contemporary supercars feature massive rear wings, aggressive splitters, and overly complex aero kits. The GMA T.33, however, takes inspiration from 1960s classic sports cars, where body lines remained clean, timeless, and elegant. To maintain high-speed stability without relying on a prominent wing, Gordon Murray utilized passive boundary layer control along with a ground effect floor panel. Air is directed underneath the chassis to generate over 150 kilograms of downforce at high speeds. These discrete aerodynamics preserve a pristine design language while delivering maximum stability. Chapter 5. Exclusivity and the future value of analog supercars. Gordon Murray Automotive has kept the production of this model exceptionally exclusive. Globally, only 100 units worldwide of the GMA T.33 will ever be built, and every single unit sold out almost instantly upon reveal. Priced above £1.37 million, it reflects bespoke, hand-built engineering at its finest. For automotive collectors and enthusiasts, this is not merely a vehicle. It is a timeless masterpiece from the combustion engine era destined to appreciate in value over time. It proves that even in limited production runs, pure engineering holds an everlasting charm. Chapter 6. Our respectful analysis and honest verdict. When evaluating the evolution of the automotive world, maintaining balance and mutual respect is vital. Electric supercars and hybrid technology have shattered performance benchmarks and instant acceleration records, and that engineering certainly has its own place. However, the existence of a car like the GMA T.33 proves that mechanical emotion and raw sound remain irreplaceable. Without dismissing other advancements, Gordon Murray has proven that the era of the pure analog supercar is far from over. This car is a beacon of light for those who view driving not just as getting from A to B, but as an art form. Ultimately, the Gordon Murray GMA T.33 is more than a supercar. It is a monument to mechanical purity and engineering passion. From the roaring 11,100 RPM symphony of the Cosworth V12 to its ultra-lightweight chassis and pure manual transmission, this machine will forever hold a sacred place in the hearts of automotive lovers. In this EV era, its presence is an incredible gift to the automotive community. What are your thoughts on this pure analog masterpiece? Share your valuable perspectives in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Allah Hafiz.